Good morning, guys. Once again, here I am doing my task. Cook rice, boil water. Guys, the reason why I'm talking English or speaking English because English is our international language, so that other outside our country, other countries can understand, because Facebook is all over the world. That's why I have to talk English, because if I talk Bisaya or Tagalog, only Filipino can understand. That's why, guys. So that other countries can understand me. So I'm not bragging that I'm not bragging why I'm talking English. It's because I want people all over the world can understand me. Not because I'm bragging. Okay, guys, I know Filipinos are good in English, also fluent. Actually, I'm not fluent in English, but I'm trying to speak English. Okay, guys. Hope you understand me. Okay. Have a blessed Thursday. Have a blessed Thursday. God bless us all and stay safe always, guys. Bye. Bye-bye.